What's going on, little birds? Today I will show you a Sunrise Village hack for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys what's going on. So as you can see on the Sunrise Village, we're broke. But look at this. We have this button here, can turn on free diamonds. So I just turned it on. So now on Sunrise Village, I should get rich. And after I get rich, I'm going to show you how to download the Sunrise Village hack. So let's wait and see. And yes, it's going up. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Sunrise Village hack for your device, iOS and Android. So let's get into the tutorial. So it's pretty simple actually. Just go to your browser, go to matrixmods.com, and on this website, guys, just type in Sunrise. And as you can see, there it is. So go ahead and press download, and the last step is verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so basically it's going to say missing files, and you just want to download 2 of these apps. You don't have to download all of them, but like Family Island says reach level 11 is a game, so I could do that. I could do DraftKings. This one is a search and install to earn, so I just got to search up DraftKings and install the app. So it's pretty simple. So that's how to get a fully working Sunrise Village hack for your device. There's some other settings in here too. A lot of settings actually, craft tools, summon tools, just super insane, honestly. So if you guys are interested in getting a Sunrise Village hack for your phone, definitely go ahead and try this one out. It's updated and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out, brotherhood.